Welcome to Outside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this 1977 MGB Roadster, finished in black. It's been extensively restored with many upgrades throughout the 80s and 90s. It's had very little use since, so it's an older restoration. As we walk you around the car, you'll see just how well this restoration was carried out all those years ago. So it's gleaming black paintwork. You can see the panel gaps are very, very good. There's no corrosion on the car, so no nasty welding required at all. Both sides very, very clean. Paintwork's nice, not Concours, but it's not Concours money. But just a very, very good usable car. We fully recommissioned the car and serviced it. So all the oils have been changed, brake fluid changed, brakes been down and everything like that. It's a rubber bumper model. It's got the H4 headlamps there, and you'll notice as we walk around the car, it's got the knockoff wire wheels. Inside the car, it's got a Momo steering wheel, 4-speed manual gearbox with overdrive, and it's got this lovely soft leather, black leather upholstery, carpets and MG overmats. These were renewed in the 1990s and remained in really nice condition now. Everything's working in the car. It's got a modern Sony stereo in there. The only thing not working is the fasten seatbelts, warning lights, bearing in mind the car's got upgraded Britax retractable seatbelts. This is probably the reason why. So tonneau cover there, we've got a soft top as well, which we'll show you in a short while. All the chrome works very nice on the car. The paintwork gleams. So we've got these newly refurbished spoked wheels with knockoffs, and we've fitted a brand new set of Michelin tyres, a 185/70/14, so a low profile tyre just to aid the handling. The car is also fitted from the 90s with upgraded suspension in the form of a Ron Hopkinson upgrade kit, front and rear, larger anti-roll bars, upright shockers and everything, which goes into the rear as well. So the rear, it's got a Bilstein handling kit as well at the back with anti-roll bar, and we've got these spring suppressor kits fitted as well, which also stop anti-tramp on the rear axle. So the car is built for handling, and also performance is helped by the addition of a Stage 2 1950cc engine, which was fitted, and it's had the running service carried out shortly afterwards. We'll show you under the bonnet just in a few moments. So very usable car, so it's ready to use. We've done all the work on the car, fully serviced it. So underneath there we've got this 1950cc engine, twin carbs, K&N filters fitted, electric cooling fan. So very clean under the bonnet. It's not Concours, so oil cooler and everything. It's a modified distributor, no vacuum advance on it. So it's built for performance, this car. It's done 3,000 miles since the new engine. So it drives fabulous. We'll take you down the road in a few moments. So the older restoration and detailing has held up very well, as you can see from our video. We'll just take you to the rear of the car and we'll open the boot up. Inside the boot, it's nicely finished off. Paintwork's all good in there. Again, no corrosion. It's got a toolkit there with a hammer for the knockoff wheels. Under the carpet there, we won't open it up, but they will see it in the photos with the car. It's got a new Michelin tyre on the newly refurbed wheel, same as this one. So we'll just pop the roof up for you in a few moments. Okay, this is with the soft top fitted to the little MGB. Inside, you'll notice the framework is all in fabulous condition. It's been blasted and repainted. So there we are. We'll take you for a run down the road with the car in a few moments. Okay, we'll just take you up the road in this little MGB Roadster. We're just sat there ticking over about 800 revs per minute. Oil pressure's good, up to temperature. Everything's working on the car. Even the radio's got a modern radio, CD player. All the bulbs been clocked and the dashboard are all working. Interior lights and everything. So let's see how she goes. First time it's been driven for a long time. It's been fully recommissioned. Nice sound through the sports exhaust. Third gear, overdrive working. Into fourth gear. Overdrive. So it feels good on the road. It's dead straight ahead. A little bit further than standard car with this upgraded suspension. Starting up the brakes, dead straight ahead. Servo assisted. All the brakes have been stripped down, fluid changed and everything. So out of overdrive, still in fourth gear. Feels good on the road. Suspension and steering feels really good. It's all been greased up and everything. Just looking forward to them at the moment, just ticking over quite nicely. Overdrive on. We're doing
photos underneath